Hi, welcome everyone. In a country where highways stretch endlessly and the call of the road never fades, riders search for freedom. And in 2026, one motorcycle stands out as the ultimate gateway to that freedom, the Honda Rebel 300. In a world full of big and powerful machines, the Rebel 300 proves that less can be more. It's about accessibility, style, and confidence. With its low seat height and lightweight frame, it's a bike that welcomes anyone to ride. At its heart, the Rebel 300 carries a 286cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. Smooth, efficient, and reliable, the perfect balance of power and economy. It has enough punch for city streets, and enough heart for the open road. For the daily commuter, the Rebel 300 glides through traffic with ease. Light clutch action, easy handling, and impressive fuel efficiency, it's built for the modern American lifestyle. But when you hit the highway, the Rebel transforms. The long wheelbase, cruiser-style ergonomics, and comfortable seating let you ride for hours, without fatigue. This is a machine made for long roads and unforgettable journeys. Honda designed the Rebel with a bold, minimalist cruiser style. Stripped down to its essence, dark tones, round LED headlight, and fat tires that demand attention wherever you go. The Rebel 300 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle statement. A bike for those who want individuality, freedom, and a touch of rebellion in every ride. From saddlebags to exhaust upgrades, the Rebel 300 is a canvas for customization. Across the USA, riders personalize it to reflect who they are, from sleek cafe racers to rugged bobbers. Ask any Rebel 300 owner, and they'll tell you, this bike is more than a machine. It's affordable, dependable, and easy to maintain. It builds confidence with every single mile. The Honda Rebel 300, not the biggest, not the boldest, but perhaps the most important. Because every journey has a beginning. And for thousands of riders in 2026, it begins right here, with the Rebel.